Question from chapter 7, verse 4.
Yes. The moment you are required to ask a question, the Imam immediately left for the Holy Qur'an. You know? He knew the question would be about some verse. Huh?
Chapter 7, verse 4. Chapter 7, verse 4.
He has now become specialist in this. Huh?
Yes.
And her first pupil, Aisha. Right? Your husband is hidden behind that camera entirely today. Huh?
No, he's
No.
ill today.
No?
He's Omar Safi.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is different. This is why I was amazed. It was his habit to peep out of the camera towards you, you know. So I was wondering what had happened to him today. He's a different person. Thank you.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Ittabi'u ma unzila ilaykum min rabbikum wa la tattabi'u min dunihi awliya qalilan ma tazakkarun. Follow that which has been sent down to you from your Lord, and follow no protectors other than him.
Follow?
And follow no protectors other than him, but you seldom take warning.
Right. This is the verse
About which
with reference to which he wants to raise a query. Please do.
Huzur, could you kindly put light on this verse and if it has any relation with the Mullah?
And if it has got any relation
With the people following their Mullah?
with the people who are following blindly their Mullah, or their leaders.
Achha, please do read again now.
اتبعوا ما أنزل إليكم من ربكم ولا تتبعوا من دونه أولياء قليلا ما تذكرون.
Right. This, if you first translate into Arabic and then
كان سؤال
I think this question should not have been raised at all unless he means something else which we do not know. Because it's so evident. This verse is applicable to all such situations appearing at any time in the world where things are attributed to others than God which could only be attributed to Him. This is a matter of principle. So I still cannot understand the real reason why you asked the question.
specific.
Any
specific thing in his mind?
Yes, that's right, yes.
Have you got any specific thing in your mind you want to ask Huzur about?
I just only want to know whether it has it could be applied to that situation, is that people are following their Mullah blindly.
Where? Everywhere.
Everywhere, yes.
Evidently, my answer covers that situation as well. Whenever people follow their mullahs without requiring from them that the doctrines they hold, what ground they have for attributing them to God, when this question is not raised, when the people who are led by the mullahs are not capable of raising such questions, whatever the mullah says is the word of God to them. And the mullah is never questioned why he says that, on what verse he depends on what verse he depends for attributing this doctrine to God. Then practically the mullahs become their gods. They may say anything and may lead them to destruction if they so please. This is what the verse is about. But it's not the mullahs alone to which it refers to any idea which is not a divine idea, which is a commonplace idea for which there is no authority. So this verse is common and of wide application, right?